Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial where we will be setting up the environment to work computer graphic and image processing laboratory programs using Python. Before we dive into the writing code, it's essential to have necessary tools and libraries installed on your system. Firstly, we see the installing requirements for Windows. First requirement is Python. You need to have Python installed on your Windows system. You can download the latest version from Python from the official website. I will give the official website link in below description box. And next, OpenGL. OpenGL is a cross-platform graphics library that widely used for rendering 2D and 3D graphics. For Windows, you can use OpenGL, which is a Python binding for OpenGL. You can install Python PyOpenGL using this command. Command is pip install PyOpenGL hyphen underscore accelerate. I give the this command in below description box, and also I give the this command in our website. Next requirement is third requirement is OpenCV. OpenCV is a open source computer vision library. Is a open source computer vision and machine learning library. You can install OpenCV for Python using this command. Command is pip install OpenCV hyphen Python. If any error of found, let me know. I will resolve the errors. Next requirement is IDE or text editor. You can use any Python IDE or text editor for your choice, such as PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, or Sublime Text. In my case, in further videos, I will use the Visual Studio Code to run the program, to writing these programs. Next requirement for Ubuntu user to install the Python. First requirement is install the Python. Python is usually pre-installed on your Ubuntu system. However, you can check the version and install the latest version if you needed using following command. Command is sudo apt get update. Next, sudo apt -get install Python 3. You should install the Python 3. Next requirement is Ubuntu users. OpenGL, you need to install required packages for OpenGL development. You can install them using this command. Command is sudo apt -get install freg 3 -dev. Next requirement is PyOpenGL. You can install PyOpenGL using this command. Command is pip3 space install PyOpenGL space PyOpenGL -accelerate. Next requirement is OpenCV. You can install OpenCV for Python using package following this command. Command is sudo apt -get update. And next command is sudo apt -get install Python 3 OpenCV. And next, use the IDE or text editor. You can use Python IDE or text editor, your choice, such as PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, same as the Ubuntu users. So you can use the Visual Studio Code to run the computer graphic and image processing laboratory programs. Next, after installing necessary packages and library, you can start writing code for program. After following these steps, you should have fully functional environment to start writing and running computer graphic and image processing laboratory programs using Python, OpenGL, and OpenCV. And in the next video, we will dive into our first program and explore the basic of a computer graphic and image processing laboratory. If you found this video, to share someone to help this video.